morning, everybody. God bless. Another video. We are headed to a call. The description said that the tenant changed the batteries on the thermostat. The thermostat was initially blank, and when they changed the batteries, the thermostat came on, but the system is still not doing anything. So let's see what we find.
And we realized that the batteries inside were corroded. Like, they've probably never been changed. I don't know. We've
Okay.
only been here 3 years.
Okay.
So we changed the batteries out, and we put the batteries, like the new ones, in, and it came on. But this never clicked on to
cycle.
get the air circling.
Okay. Guys, check this out. Look at this, dude. Look at all this lint. Look at this. That's crazy, bro. They got the dryer vent right here. I ain't never seen that, boy. Check it out. This the dryer. Yeah, that is crazy. Look at all of this. I bet you guys that coil is probably clogged the heck up. I have never seen that. That is just crazy. And I was right, guys. Check that out. Check out that coil. This is ridiculous. Who in the world would just leave that there? I mean, that's gotta be like the builder's fault, right? This house doesn't seem that old. Like, it's not like from the it's not from the 90s. So why would they even allow that? All right, so she said she changed the thermostat. I'm gonna put it on cool. See what it does. Coming on. I hear the power. Let's take this off. A little blown fuse or something. That blower full of lint. Let's see what we got. Oh man. All right. Just looking at this, I can see the fuse is popped. So we'll just go ahead and take the fuse out. So it's popped. Gonna get our fuse popper. Okay. So I got power on it now. Okay. So not sure if it's popped just yet. I got my brush here with me. Okay. I think this thing might still be on a delay. 240. Okay, I don't got nothing coming up. So, look at all this wire. It's just exposed right here. This was loose. I was just trying to take it out and it came on out. That's no good. Let me wire this back up, the red with the red. Golly, thing just cracking. Alright, let's check this. See if we still got voltage out here or if our fuse has popped. Okay, so it hasn't popped. So that might have been the issue. I was looking at this wire right here. See, it's all stripped right there, exposed. Goodness, please stop calling me. Alright, we got our wires. Thing seems pretty good. Reset that. Okay, so contactor is pushed in. As you can see, we're messing with this now. So it was something that was just loose there. What caused it to short out. About to put the disconnect in. And we're gonna check the pressures real quick. We already know we got a clogged coil, evaporator coil. Oh wow, 145. Dang, with a clogged coil. Okay, I was expecting that to be a little lower. It's probably not a thick layer of lint on the coil, but it is what it is. So, you know, we still gotta clean that coil. To read that out. All right, so this is an A coil. I believe I can take the plates off and just clean it as best as I can in place, so I don't have to pump it down and pull and clean. You don't really gotta do all that. careful with this. Take that zip tie off. Get it out the way. Bend this down a little bit. Golly. Look at that. Them little trees. That's crazy. Alright guys, got that cleaned off on both sides. As best as we could. Just gonna spray some coil cleaner on it. And this whole thing is just bad. We're not doing nothing crazy, nothing thorough, guys. We're just cleaning this real quick in place. So, all you super techs out there that would have done a better job, I'm pretty sure you would have, because I'm not doing anything thorough. We're just trying to basically get the lint off the coil on this side, really. Alright guys, we got that thing clean. Spray some of this in the pan. Go ahead and spray some more. Let's go ahead and get our special tool. Put a new fuse in there.